Hello everyone, it's Fatih and today we are going to write a program that will take a two-day array and find its range, which is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value of the array. So as usual, we will start by importing our arrays class from the console. Then we will write our public class and we will write our main method. And first, we should create a 2D array, integer brackets my array, and equals name integer, an integer array size 3 to 3. Then we will use a for loop integer I equals 0 and I is smaller than my array dot length. This is our condition and this is our under control. This will increase the I value by adding 1 at the end of each iteration. Then we will use another for loop and we will say integer j equals 0. J is smaller than my array I inside the brackets dot length and j plus plus, and we will say my array ij equals integer method random times 100. This means it will choose numbers between 0 to 100, but 100 is not included. It can be 0 though. Now we will say integer range equals array range value. This is a function that I have created here. So we will say public static integer. It's an integer function, integer my array. It will take the array as an input. Then we will say integer max equals my array 0 0 and integer min my array 0 0, and we'll say we will use a for loop for integer I equals 0 and I is smaller than my array dot length and I plus plus. Then we will use another for loop integer j equals 0, j is smaller than my array I dot length and j plus plus, and we will say if my array ij is smaller than min equals my array ij, and as if my array ij is bigger than max, it will say max equals my array ij, and it will return this value max minus minimum. So this is basically the range. So then we will say system.out.println arrays deep to string and my array. This will help us to print the array. So it will basically transform the array to string, and we will say print range plus range. So let's run code. As you can see, thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.